Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairytale Flavor. I'm Celina and today I'm making a quick and easy chicken stir fry. Please make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new recipes, and let's get started on this stir fry. First, butterfly the chicken. Now cut the chicken into thin slices. Add some olive oil to your pan, and then place the chicken in the pan. Now add some pepper, and then add some salt. After the chicken has cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes, it's time to add your vegetables. You can either use fresh, or like I use, the frozen stir-fry vegetables that come in a bag. Now it's time to add half a cup of any brand of stir-fry sauce. If you don't want to use the stir-fry sauce, you can use soy sauce and sesame oil if you like. Now it's time to prepare the noodles. First, add some water in your tea kettle. Place your noodles in a bowl and pour the hot water over. You can do this on your stovetop. I just wanted to use something quick and easy. Also, you can substitute the noodles with rice if you like. You're going to leave the noodles in the hot water for about 5 minutes. Drain the noodles and then spray with cold water. Now pour the noodles and mix together. This stir fry only took 20 minutes. Serve it in a bowl and then enjoy. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a big thumbs up, and please make sure to subscribe and follow me on my Instagram. My next video, I'm going to be making a mixed berry bread and topping it off with a delicious glaze. Hope to see you all then. Thanks again for watching.